These units are available through independent Crosley dealers and they are manufactured in China by Frigidaire for Crosley Group Inc., but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The VATM models have mechanical controls with a 2-speed fan and a 5000 BTU cooling capacity. The VATS models have electronic controls with a remote and 3 fan speeds. The air conditioners use earth-friendly R32 refrigerant and are reasonably quiet when operating on low speed, but they have a very limited distribution network and it is not easy to find them for purchase. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.